The Brieftons Express Food Chopper makes quick work out of tedious chopping tasks, and it's so easy to assemble, use, and care for. It is the quick, safe way to chop fruits, vegetables, herbs, and create fresh salads, salsas, pestos, coleslaws in just seconds. Countless hours spent chopping foods in the kitchen will now be a thing of the past. This tool can help you chop and mix foods in record time. Simply use a knife to cut the vegetable into chunks. Then, put them around the blade. Replace the lid and push down on the pump repeatedly. This will cause the chopper blade to spin and chop the food. The more you push the pump, the finer the chopped foods become. And if you hate getting watery eyes when chopping onions, this will solve it all for you. With the cover on top and onions inside the bowl, you can effortlessly chop away without weeping and burning eyes. Here are just some of the benefits of the Brieftons Express Food Chopper. Chops and mixes foods in record time. Safer, easier, and quicker to use than chopping with a knife. Perfect for chopping various vegetables, fruits, herbs, and for mixing food ingredients. The innovative pump design allows for an easy one-handed operation of the chopper. The pump handle locks down for compact and convenient storage. The anti-skid base keeps the chopper steady on the counter. Highly portable and suitable for all kitchens, RVs, travel, and camping. No electricity required. Large processing power with a bulk capacity of 2 liters, 68 ounce, 8.5 US cups. Stress tested vigorously by our engineers, this food chopper has proven to be durable and reliable even after 100,000 pushes of the pump handle. It's designed to serve you well for years to come. With so much to do during the day, cooking needs to be done fast. The Brieftons Express Food Chopper is the tool to free up your precious time in the kitchen and put the fun back into cooking.